Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi on Thursday inaugurated an international workshop on human-elephant coexistence in Bhubaneswar. The two-day event has drawn more than 150 conservationists, scientists and policymakers and forest officials from across India and elephant range countries in Asia. The discussion aimed to develop long-term strategies for peaceful coexistence between people and elephants. Majhi highlighted Odisha's special position as home to nearly 2,100 elephants and the largest number of elephant corridors in the country. But he also warned of the rising conflict due to urbanization and habitat loss. The Chief Minister outlined key measures already in place such as creation of water bodies inside forests, stronger Van Suraksha Samitis, Gajra Sathi volunteers and rapid response squads to tackle emergencies. He stressed that compensation to victims' families is being released quickly and modern technology like GPS tracking, radio collars and AI-powered cameras is being used to monitor elephant movement. Closing his address, the Chief Minister called for joint global actions, stressing that the survival of elephants is not just Odisha's responsibility but a shared duty of all nations. The workshop, he said, marks a new beginning in finding balance between development and conservation.
ये जो ओडिशा रे गोटाए ऐतिहासिक संपर्क रही हाथी मानकर सहित एवं आमे भी जानी किभली भाव में आमर सांस्कृतिक ऐतिह्य भितर हाथी सहित संपर्क अच्छी स्वयं महाप्रभु श्री जगन्नाथ हाथी बेश आसती गज उदाहरण बेश होती एणु निश्चित भाव में जदि आम हाथी सहित संपर्क मनुष्यर कथा देखा तार ओडिशार प्राय संपर्क सबुठारु घनिष्ठ और अधिक एवं पुरी राजा को आम गजपति महाराज बोली आम कही था तेणु हाथीर सुरक्षा आज गोटाए बहुत जरूरी आवश्यकता हो पड़ी। हाथी आ मनुष्य भितर लड़ई ये गोटे एमिति परिस्थिति आसी बहुत समय मनीष भी मरुंच हाथी माने जीवन हानि होउछि।